how to create 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this text here. And I'm just gonna select it. And one of the easiest ways we can do this is we just go to FX here on the right side where it says choose an effect. I'm gonna click on that one, and then I want to choose 3D and materials. And from here, I'm gonna choose extrude and bevel. And as you can see, it gives it this 3D effect. Now there are a number of things we can do here. The first one is extrude. We can choose the depth of it. Maybe keep it like this. We can twist it like that. We can taper it. And a whole bunch of other things like rotation, the general position of the text. Like that. You can adjust it however you want. You can also revolve it or inflate it. There's a number of options, but yeah, and this is one of the fastest and easiest way to create 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.